This is the New Zealand Marine Studies Centre Aquavan. We have a recirculating saltwater tank system that can carry 700 litres of salt water, which allows us to safely transport animals and plants all the way from Ōtepoti, Dunedin, further inland to places like Hawea.
They make their homes and then they can carry their homes around with them sometimes, the stony casements too.
The Aquavan program is all about the interconnectedness of our waterways, Utukatai Mountains to sea.
Our stations here at the Aquavan focuses on the river and how pollutants get into the river, the estuary, how the river is connected to the ocean, and then how the catchment might be related to the critters in the ocean.
The kids just loved it, they were so engaged. The touch tank was definitely a highlight for a lot of them. We live as far inland as you can get, so for them to get to have this experience and learn from the best in business, that they're really connected to the oceans and everything around us. Really special for them to have that and to feel that connection.
Each crab is shaped differently and has different ways of surviving in the environment.
Did a catchment model. It showed how different things can do things to the environment.
It's really important because young people really need the ability to see the consequences of some of these actions that are happening all across the health of our rivers.
I liked learning about how the different things that you can do can really affect the environment.
We need to protect the ocean by keeping plastic out and also looking after sea creatures that are nearly extinct.
No mean feat on a Friday to have them engaged like they are today. They've been around, it's been super hands-on, facilitators been enthusiastic, super knowledgeable.
It's just a really fantastic hands-on experience that I know schools really look forward to happening, and they really fizz about it, for the rest of the term afterwards.
So to have the Aquavan up here really cements that relationship and makes the work that we do here more meaningful.
The places that are so far away from the ocean, they're still connected to our moana. Everything that we do on our land has impacts not only on our streams, our rivers and our lakes, but also further down all the way to the coast.